Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to another Ethereum classic video. What is happening? Are we gonna break towards upside? Last time we said that the target is 36 and we didn't hit 36, guys. We hit something like $32, and right now the question is why? Why didn't we hit 36 bucks? Because 36 bucks is the resistance. And I still think we're gonna go there very soon. Very soon. I'm gonna tell you why. Also, the important thing to notice, when you get one of these weeks that, you know, comes close to the target but doesn't hit target, it's probably because you missed something. And I think I know what I missed, so I'm gonna show you that. So last time we talked about these certain levels and stuff like that. Right now the first level of resistance was 36 bucks, and we are still going there. Now the chart on the daily time frame and stuff like that looks very bullish. It's still keeping the trend. You can see the trend down here on the bottom. It's still keeping the trend. Right now, you know, the next move up here is towards 36 bucks when we get out of this channel over here. So we get out of the channel over here towards upside and we go all the way to 36 bucks. Maybe even break that immediately towards upside, but 36 bucks up here towards upside, that is the very first target right now. As soon as we get out of this, you know, trending channel, you can see up here we tried to get out the channel. We had a, you know, a spring towards the downside, broke that, but not, we pulled back right back inside that. We're still consolidating down here at the bottom inside the channel, and it is gonna go very soon towards upside. Of course, if it doesn't break towards the downside, but you know, that can always happen. But it's very early in the bull market, and you know, every single dip is a buy the dip opportunity, not a financial advice. You do you, I do me. You do your money, I do my money. But it looks very nice. Now, monthly time frame, last month in January, we actually managed to close above the 10-20 moving average, which is very nice. Right now we are going higher, and this is actually continuing going towards the upside up here very nicely. It actually looks like it's a parabolic move towards the upside up here, just like over here. You can see this big towards the upside, wick up here, big up, wick up here. It's just before they actually starts going very fast towards the upside. So this actually looks very nice and very good. Now, there has been a couple of trends over here that are broken. Maybe this one over here, something like this over here. But the big question is, why didn't we hit this? Actually, the trend actually doesn't go like this. It goes something like this over here. The question is, why didn't we hit 36 and only hit 32 bucks up here, 33 bucks up here towards upside? And that's because this trend line, after this trend line is done, there is another trend line over here that goes something like this over here. It actually goes from these levels over here, something like this, and you can see right now that's actually the legit trend line right now that we need to break. So it only went up to the trend line because this top up here and these tops up here right now create, because this is the last top of the previous trend line. So the last stop into the new pivot point over here creates this very nice trend line. Right now we're just hitting that, so we need to still get above that, and I think that's gonna happen very soon. Whether that's gonna happen, you know, during the next 4 or 5 days or very soon, this is gonna happen. But as soon as we are out of this this trend over here and above the box, sorry, above the first resistance level, outside of this accumulation zone, I would say the accumulation zone right now over here is actually all the way down here towards these bottoms over here. We are already getting out of the accumulation zone, but I would say as soon as we are out above 36, it's pretty much given that, you know, this is gonna go, and then it only depends on, you know, how high do we get to all-time high, you know, 69 bucks up here or not, because that's actually not that high towards upside. I mean, from the breakout of 36 towards upside, it's only like something like 90% towards upside, right? So it's not very high. Okay, so can we go to the all-time high up here? This is 180 bucks. This is a wick towards the upside. This is a big wick. We only look at the closes. Closes are the most important thing that we look at. But you know, once we break 36, this is pretty much almost given. And then, you know, it only depends on, you know, how high after that it can actually go. So oftentimes what we do, we look from the bottom towards the top, how much we can actually have. This is 5x. So I would say, you know, something like 10x up here towards 135 is a very realistic target, because 10x is actually not that much. But you know, it's very realistic target. And after that, if it is very bullish and it continues pumping, then we are looking at the next target that's actually at 20x up here towards upside, 280 bucks. Can it hit one of these levels? We don't know. We're gonna see that when we get there. We are, you know, on this channel we are always on the side of tech analysis. So once we start getting to those levels, we're gonna see how the price reacts. whether that's the top or not, right? If it breaks, you know, it might actually go all the way to 280. But these X are important. This over here is a 10x from the bottom. This is a 20x from the bottom. These are very, very important levels. So that those are levels that we are actually looking for. There is nothing wrong with the chart. The chart looks actually very, very nice, especially down here on the weekly time frame and the daily time frame. This trend over here that we are having right now is just slightly, slowly climbing towards the upside, getting ready to do the move up here, the break towards the upside, and to go towards the upside. It looks nice, guys. It looks good. Very, very close to the breakout. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you another time. By the way, below in the comments there is a link to the Telegram channel, public Telegram channel, free Telegram channel. Join that. There's gonna be a lot of people there. It's gonna be very, very cozy once the retail gets here. Last time we had like 2,000-3,000 people there. We also got a TEF Fans Club community, private Telegram chat, you know, for the blue balls that have been here around for, you know, ages. Been there in the bear market buying 20, 15k Bitcoin, stuff like that. Check that out as well. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you around. Hit the subscribe button and like button on the way out. Bye bye.